Okay, first is edit, copy, check company code. Okay, first is define company. And to access all this, this is in SPRO, enterprise structure and financial accounting definition. No, definition first and then definition and financial accounting. Okay. We define company. This is mother company. Company code is a unit or organization that publishes financial statements plus handles operations. Okay. So our company was DAP. Company code was DAP. DAP Sharjah. Okay. Then comes in after company, we have chart of accounts. Chart of accounts, very important. T code is OBC4, if I'm not wrong. Chart of accounts is group of GL accounts. What do you mean by group? Group is segments of account heads like liabilities, income, expenses, assets. So group of GL account, and we define it, and then we outline account groups, which is liability, expense, income, and so on. Account groups once made, chart of account is also assigned to company code. Okay. Now, next step is fiscal year variant. Fiscal year variant. Fiscal year variant is July to June or Jan to December or April to March. Okay. So based on accounting jurisdiction and country practices, we assign a fiscal year variant. Okay. And these are assigned to company code. So usually we assign Jan to December, which is K4. Okay. Once fiscal year and chart of accounts are assigned, then we define controlling area. Controlling area is basically for profit center accounting and cost center accounting, and controlling area controls product costing, profitability analysis, and also controls company codes. 1:M is the relationship between controlling area to company code. So multiple company codes will need the same chart of accounts plus fiscal year variant. Okay. Segment. This is nothing but business vertical that we have already assigned as passenger vehicle plus SUVs. Okay. Okay. Retained earnings account. Retained earnings account is nothing but um, intermediary account to collect all income and expenses. Okay. So difference is either profit or loss, which is then clubbed with equity capital. Okay. That is retained earnings. Counts closing posting periods. Closing posting, no, open close posting periods. Okay. So opening closing posting period is if you have July to June, or it doesn't matter, January to December, it doesn't matter. In this opening posting period, you have 0, 1 to 12 periods. Okay, it can be anything from July to June. You can open one period, or you can open all periods. Okay, and then we have special 13 to 16 periods, special periods, which are for adjustments. Okay, and adjustments which are year end adjustment, month end adjustments. Okay, I hope this is clear now. Okay, chart of accounts basically is in financial accounting, GL accounting, preparations, and chart of accounts. Okay. Fiscal Year Variant is in accounting, financial accounting, global settings, ledgers, then fiscal year. Okay. Controlling area is in SPRO, enterprise structure, definition, and plus assignment. Okay. Segment is SPRO, enterprise structure. No, not enterprise structure. I guess enterprise structure. Okay, enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting, and then we have segment, defined segment. Okay. Retained earnings is in SPRO, financial accounting, GL accounting, preparation, and define retained earnings. Open close period, this is also in ledgers. Before that, we have SPRO. Financial accounting, global setting, and in ledgers. Okay, that's it. I've made it easy for you now. Shouldn't be any trouble.